Hi guys, with another video. Let's let's repair this X-Shot gun, and let's see. So many screws are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, so much. I just before I start the video, I just loosed all the screws. Hopefully I cannot waste your time. Let's see. It's not coming out. Almost screw here, I think. Right there. Yeah. It's not coming out. Right, see. Alright. Oh, is there any other? No. Anything? Let me see. Oh, all the screws came up. Right there. Okay, let's pull it. One more. No, it's not more. There's no more. Okay. Maybe this is the one I have to take it out. This is the alright. It's time. Let's see. There is another here. Maybe. Let's open it. Wow. Still not opening. Another screw. Oh no. This is alright. Okay. What else? Wow. Right here, is there anything? No. Nothing. No, there is nothing. Anyway, what? Come on. I hope I'm not gonna break it. All right. And let's go. Oh, all right. There's one here. Is holding. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Whoa, I think. Okay, this come off. Oh, this is came out. All right. Whoa. I forgot. Oh no, one more screw here. So many screws are. Right here. I think it's all about this. What we're gonna do? I think this is not working very well. This guy. And also another one. what we see inside, as you see all the inside, how they made it. This is the way so many parts coming together and making. The only things that is not works, maybe these are it's not working very well, and you need to find exactly the same and nicer one. Yeah, I'm gonna check it out if I can find it. This is exactly, and I will put together. Yeah, so this is all about how we can fix this. What is this X-Shot? You have to take apart, and you have to change this. And after that, maybe you might change that smaller one. This is too. Yeah, after that it's gonna be okay. But is it worth it to do that? I think it's not worth it. But I just want to show you guys how you can repair and what you need to change. So okay, thank you for watching, and see you soon with another video. Bye bye.